This video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are associated with the site Codax.live. Codax.live is a malicious pop-up. It attacks Google Chrome, and it may also affect other browsers. These pop-ups actually claim to be related to the well-known security program, but in reality, such pop-ups are totally fake. They are not related to any decent security applications. You should not trust these fake alerts. Don't interact with them. We recommend you to leave this page, and we also suggest that you thoroughly research your system and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. By the way, the best place where you can get it is on the official web page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner through this official site, install the software, and then with its help start thoroughly investigating the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.